Did you know that 70% of millionaires attribute their wealth to the way they think about money? It's true. Today, we're digging into what really means. We're talking about developing a wealthy mindset. So, why should you care? If you're young and feeling financially challenged, this is your chance to learn how to change your thinking and view money in a different light. Let's jump right in. First off, what is a wealthy mindset? A wealthy mindset is not just about having money. It's a way of thinking that allows you to embrace opportunities, overcome challenges, and cultivate a life that attracts wealth. This mindset is accessible to everyone, regardless of their current financial situation. It all starts with your beliefs. What you believe about money deeply influences your reality. If you think money is scarce, you will act that way. You might shy away from investment opportunities or be overly cautious. However, if you believe that there is plenty of money to go around, you are more likely to seek opportunities. A common trait of those with a wealthy mindset is that they are willing to invest in themselves. Education, skills, and personal development are key areas where you should focus. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops. The more skilled you are, the more valuable you become. You should also surround yourself with the right people. Ever heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with? If your circle consists of negative thinkers or people who give up easily, their mindset will rub off on you. Try to find friends or mentors who inspire you to think bigger and reach higher. Next, let's talk about goal setting. Wealthy individuals set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, get specific. Set goals like, I want to save $5,000 in a year, or, I plan to start a side hustle this month. Break these goals into smaller steps. Having a clear plan will push you to stay focused and motivated. Now, let's not forget about the importance of resilience. Life will throw challenges at you. Do you know the difference between those who succeed and those who don't? It often comes down to their ability to bounce back from failure. Look at any successful entrepreneur. They have stories of setbacks. What sets them apart is their willingness to keep going, to learn from mistakes, and to adapt. So, don't be afraid to fail. Embrace it, learn, and use those lessons to push yourself forward. Another vital aspect of a wealthy mindset is the way you view risk. Instead of fearing risks, wealthy-minded people see them as opportunities. If you constantly play it safe, you may miss out on chances that could lead to success. Think about investment opportunities or starting your own business. Yes, there's risk involved, but there's also the potential for significant reward. Keep in mind that not all risks are bad. Educate yourself about risks before making decisions, and learn to feel comfortable with calculated risks. Let's shift gears to gratitude. Yes, gratitude can actually play a huge role in developing a wealthy mindset. When you appreciate what you already have, no matter how little, it opens your mind to opportunities for more. Practice gratitude daily. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple exercise can shift your perspective and put you in a better place mentally. Now that we've discussed how to think like a wealthy person, let's talk about action. Thinking alone won't get you anywhere. You need to take action out there in the real world. Start small. As you grow comfortable, step outside your comfort zone. If you want to learn about investing, open a small investment account. If you want to start a business, dedicate a few hours each week to develop your idea. Every small step counts. And don't forget to track your progress. Keeping track of both your goals and your financial growth can be incredibly motivating. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they might seem. If you save an extra $50 this month, high-five yourself. If you learned a new skill, share it with a friend. These moments serve as reminders of your progress and keep you engaged in your journey. Before I wrap this up, I want you to remember that the journey towards a wealthy mindset is not a sprint, but a marathon. Be patient with yourself. You'll have ups and downs along the way. Stay committed to your growth, through thick and thin. So, what can you do right now? If you found value in what we discussed today, hit that like button. Comment below one goal you're setting for yourself, and share your thoughts on how you plan to build your wealthy mindset. Don't forget to share this video with friends or anyone who needs this message. Together, let's inspire change and promote the journey towards a better financial future for everyone. The road may be long, but I promise you, it's worth every step. Your mindset can truly change your life. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.